Hi, I have a Samsung dishwasher model DW80J3020US. The heavy and smart auto lights blink 5 minutes after starting. Please advise as to what the issue is and how to repair it. Thanks.
What happened just before the light on your Samsung dishwasher came on?
I started the cycle and after about 5 minutes, the blinking started. I tried cutting the power to the dishwasher for 15 minutes and got the same results.
How long has this been going on with your Samsung dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
I tried cutting the power to the dishwasher for 15 minutes and got the same results. A few weeks.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of. The dishwasher is only 3 years old.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. The site will automatically send you an offer for phone service. This is optional and you may simply disregard it unless you want a phone call. Please accept my apologies for its annoyance if you do not want phone service. I have no control over that pop-up offer. That is a water level error, a common issue on these models. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
Thank you. No thank you. No thank you for the phone service. Smile.
Sorry for the auto call offer, I have no control over those. There is a sensor in the water inlet assembly that is very prone to problems. The video at the link below shows how that part is replaced. https://www.youtube.com/watch V equals UZ2 Xikili. The link below is to the part you will need. https://www.repairclinic.com/part details/water inlet DD82013738/4547403 Recade equals 1000054. Please let me know you have received the information you came for, clicking on the star scale to rate your experience with me. It is my goal to give you all the help you need. Please be sure to use the star scale to leave your feedback rating. Thank you.
Installed new inlet and the heavy light is blinking, but no leaks. Can't get the blinking to stop. Requesting Kellyan appliances.
That error means the sensor in the bottom is wet. There must be water down there somewhere.
Thanks, I'll check.
Thank you.
It worked. Thanks.
Excellent, nice job. Smile.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.